Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to MeisterTask. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in MeisterTask you can create new tasks, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key to get it back to your personal Agile CRM account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Select MeisterTask as the data destination system. Next, you need to select an action. Create task. At this stage you need to connect your MeisterTask account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your personal account MeisterTask. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a project in which new tasks will be created for each new contact from Agile CRM. Next, choose a section. Now, you see the MeisterTask fields for creating a new task. You can assign variables from Agile CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to MeisterTask as new tasks for each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to MeisterTask. After successful sending, go to MeisterTask and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the MeisterTask data destination setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.